As to Google Sheet is your intelligent financial sidekick designed to automate the synchronization of cost and freight data from ORCAZOOM. It seamlessly integrates by fetching and updating every meticulous transaction involving costs and shipping fees in real time directly into your designated Google Sheet document. One, initiate binding. Begin by logging into your ORCAZOOM account and navigate to the Connect Google, where you select to link ORCAZOOM with your Google Sheet. 2. Log into your Google account. 3. Granting ORCAZOOM access to Google. 4. Excellent. Binding completed. 5. If you don't want this service, you can delete it. Once the binding process is complete, As to Google Sheet will regularly and automatically push order data to your Google account and Google Drive. By default, it retains the last 30 days of data for easy access and analysis. For each store you have connected, a dedicated Google Sheet will be created. Sheet 1 Total Summary. This sheet provides a daily aggregation of transactional data including Sheet 2 Detail Report. This detailed table encompasses the following fields for every ORCAZOOM order. In this way, As to Google Sheet ensures that all aspects of your business orders are systematically organized and easily accessible within Google Sheets, empowering you with comprehensive insights into your daily operations at both summary and granular levels.